Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Chermel Zaga,
How old are you?
28 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm a single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
How old are they?
7 and 5.
Okay. So how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
For only 11 days.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, in the Philippines.
How many years there?
2 years.
Okay. So how long have you been working with your previous employer?
For only 11 days.
Where's your employer living in?
Taiwan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000 square feet.
How many family members there?
4 members.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
2 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock.
Prepare
I
breakfast?
prepare breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Take care the baby.
Mm-hmm.
Doing the household chores.
Okay.
Wash clothes and
Iron the clothes?
I iron the clothes.
Okay. So how about cooking? Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Okay. So what time they eat?
11 o'clock
In the morning? Okay. How about dinner?
6 o'clock.
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
At 10 o'clock in the evening.
Okay. Thank you so much.